ओम शांति। अव्यक्ति परिवार में आपका स्वागत है। आज है दिन 16, संस्कार शुद्धिकरण। अभी हम मोहिनी दीदी से सुनेंगे।
ओम शांति। संस्कारों की शुद्धिकरण में हमारे मन के विचारों का बहुत आधार है और सहयोग भी है। मालिक है मन,
Om Shanti.
या मन
Master is my mind,
के आधार पर चलता है।
or my mind
गुलाम
is
है।
running based on my sense organs. It is the servant of that. You look at it, any
हम देखते हैं बहुत अच्छा
sense
है।
organs, when we see anything that is so beautiful with our eyes, that
भी
a
होना
thought
चाहिए।
is created that this is so beautiful, even I
कोई भोजन
should have it.
होता है तो
Sometimes food is very tasty.
इतने तक हो जाता है, मुझे ये खाना
So
ही है।
mind is like that. We feel that I have to eat it, I want to eat it, I should have it.
कर्म इंद्रिय जो है ना, वो मन को
So
चलाती है।
the sense organs are such that they run your mind. So it becomes like it is a habit that whatever thought is created in the mind, we feel we should do it. So with this, in the whole world, if we think,
जैसे
because of the mind,
राष्ट्र संघ में कहते हैं,
in the Rashtra Sangh they say that first a wars begins in our mind. So the peace should also start in the mind first.
मन में संकल्प आते हैं।
The war happens outside later on. First, the thoughts are created in the mind. Today, in the whole world, so much wealth.
हर तरह के हथियार बनाने में यूज होता है।
They are using it for making big ammunition things. If so much wealth, if we use it for human beings, for humanity, then every human being can live in a nice way. They'll have a decent home, they can have decent food, they can sustain their family nicely. Because the saying is that as many mouths are there, that much food the nature provides us. But because of the greed, because of the mind, in our mind we always have these thoughts like that for my own safety, I should have more ammunition. We should buy more ammunition. So think about it, that in the water, in air, and so many types of, there are not only simple ammunition, but there are very dangerous ammunition also they are preparing. So what is this? This is through the mind. So if the mind becomes a master and I move ahead with wisdom, so the God that has created this nature, this world, when we stay in the creation, we want to stay happily in that, or we want to make the world so scary, so much in sorrow, so many types of suffering is happening. We are not creating anything for any means for that. Today, if you see in the present times, so much sickness is around. We couldn't even think ever that like a death, this virus that is there is like taking one form after another. Sometimes I am surprised that how it is changing its color, its form. What was it? It was a small bacteria.
क्यों इन्वेंशन हो रही थी, क्या कारण था, वो तो सबको पूरा नहीं मालूम।
Why the invention was happening, what was the reason, nobody knows it yet. But what I'm trying to say is, because there was no discipline in the mind,
पावर कहो,
if you can say it was greed or power, because of greed and power,
तैयार करते जाते हैं,
we create such violent things. And
कितने
because of
लोग
this,
मरे,
so many
कितने
human beings
हाँ, अभी तक भी हम देखते
died.
हैं कि डर है बहुत।
Today also we see that there's so much
और
fear.
किस तरह से मैं तो सबको हंसी में यही कहती हूँ कि
And I
ऐसे
laugh
ऐसे
and
मास्क
say
बनाए
this,
हैं,
that
बहुत सुंदर भी पहनते
they've
हैं,
created such
लेकिन
masks.
चोंच
They were
निकली
beautiful
होती है,
masks
तो
also,
बोलती
some of them.
जटाऊ था ना,
But some of them show a beak.
रामायण में दिखाते
It
हैं।
was like a bird, that a Jatayu bird. The name of the bird is Jatayu. So now the human face looks like a bird. But why this
किसने
happened?
रचना की?
Why so
मनुष्य ने
much sorrow?
की ना ये
Who
सारी
created
रचना।
that? Human being
भगवान
created
ने जो
this.
रचना रची, तो सब
God, whatever
सभी संप्रदाय,
nature God created,
आपस में
all
सब
the godly community,
एकदम संतुलित
dynasty, it was a very
सहयोग था।
balanced living. There was a full support of nature also. Now there are such natural
कुछ क्यों हो रहा है? तो इसलिए
problems are there. So there's somewhere there's earthquake, somewhere there is floods. So we have to pay attention that how to make our mind masters. That is called self-sovereign.
हम जब जानते हैं एक
When we know
आत्मिक
our
स्वरूप में,
real form, one is when we are soul conscious, that I, the soul, I am a peaceful
तो कभी भी
soul.
विचार हिंसा के आ नहीं
So
सकते।
we won't have these kind of violence thoughts.
कुछ हम करेंगे
If our mind is peace, then whatever we will do it peacefully. So the Supreme Soul, what he created, this creation, our sanskars were divine. And now again, the Supreme Soul has come to create divine sanskars, divine world he's establishing. It is said that such, whatever, however your sanskars, your world is that way. But first we have to transform our thoughts, change our thoughts. So that is why recognize your true form.
याद में हम रहें,
Look at everybody in that form. Remain in God's remembrance. Then the thoughts through which the sanskars will be created. If our attitude is pure, if our words are pure, then sanskar is also pure. So I will give everybody this advice that everybody
मन को
remain in your eternal original form,
गुलाम ना हो,
and your mind should be the master. It shouldn't be a servant, it shouldn't be dependent, and the mind
तो अभी हम 2 मिनट
should make your sense organs, your bodily organs, elevated actions. Now for 2 minutes, let's meditate
शांति का अनुभव करने के लिए
to experience internal peace and power.
मन के सभी संकल्पों को समेटते हैं।
So collect all your thoughts of the mind.
मैं शांत स्वरूप, शुद्ध स्वरूप,
I am an embodiment of peace, and an embodiment of pure, and an embodiment of love, and I am an embodiment of bliss. I am the king of all these sense organs. These sense organs do elevated actions as I direct them to do that. Through my eyes, I look at everybody as a soul in soul conscious stage and create, develop a soul relationship with everybody, a soulful relationship with everybody. My words are very peaceful and very sweet. So my soul conscious stage, my soul conscious relationships, and remembrance of God is what develops, and I then feel very happy, and I attain so much happiness that I then spread it into the whole world. I share it with the whole world so that the whole world is happy and peaceful. Om Shanti.